Okay. When you see here, and you see to this panel, and you see here on report. On report yesterday, I have showed you that this is the report about schematic. Okay. Also, this is the report about the panel layout. Make sure that you know how to differentiate, how to make this report. Don't expect the report to from schematic while it can be from panel. Then let me go back to the panel tab. And then when you see here, like this one, it's like a switch here or a panel that control the power on certain site or where it can distribute that power. The manufacturer can do this by following what you have done on that panel layout. Be able to do like this on that panel layout, and whenever you give it to that manufacturer, is able to give what you have shown, because the manufacturer will follow your instruction. I need this and this. Then the manufacturer will do this by following your instruction or your need. Okay. Hope this software will help you do this. And this it's like how you can arrange in your panel, but you can arrange like this. This one, you see that it is like in one area. To me, it acts at one control on that side. Okay? Yeah, you can add others. Yeah, this is not, you cannot give the physical connection on a panel layout. Say like an example how you can arrange this wiring not be here. This is not a panel layout, but you can arrange in your panel. Let's say this is a circuit breaker. It is not a physical presentation. I want to show how you can arrange like in this order, or you can create some area where you can put those two or more components, but resulting in one control. Okay. Then sometime you can need to show your panel layout in 3D. When you need that, there's other software that can help you when you are using AutoCAD electric and you want to present those this software is going to help you how you can present your 3D. This is how you can synchronize this AutoCAD electric and this software Autodesk inverter. You can synchronize them so that the the device you have used in your schematic and put into panel layout can be linked to this software so that it can be shown in 2D on schematic and the footprint, and it can be shown in 3D using this software when you are using those two softwares. Okay, when you want to become a serious designer about this AutoCAD electric, you will try how you can synchronize those two softwares. Okay. Then let me come to the software. Okay, let me see this as active. Okay, you see this project has a two-part schematic and the I have told you that when you are working on the project, make sure that after drawing your project in a schematic drawing, make sure that you go to make panel layout. That is why here you have a two folder, schematic and panel layout. Okay, let me try to open one of the panel layout. You see here, there are some arrangement of those components used in schematic. Those are the arrangement of your component from schematic. You don't do this without making schematic. Then those are the arrangement. Those are the connectors. You remember when you are in for example, when you are in a DB, there is a neutral connector block. Okay, this one is where you can connect different wires. Okay, and you can put in your layout the DNA layer. I got to show you. Then you can put here, or you can show here if you are learning about the DB, for example. You can show those bus bar. Okay, bus bar, red, yellow, blue, and neutral. You can show on you here and arrange how the circuit breaker can be there when the manufacturer about that DB, how can arrange those. Okay. And perhaps that there is also the control panel of any industry. Make sure how you can do that control panel so that manufacturer can arrange as you want as the engineer of that industry. Okay, this is an example. I'm showing you how you can put there the footprint on the panel layout. Okay? So for me, let me try to make new drawing. Okay. For this one, then let me write on this like training panel layout. Okay. As usual, let me choose template. Okay. Let me choose this one, IEC template, open. Okay. Where it can be saved in a new project copy. Okay. Okay, you see here that is it that new drawing I have created. Anyone can create its new drawing, but make sure on that project it has schematic drawings. Okay, because you cannot do the panel layout without making before the schematic. Okay. So now let me sit here. And hope online that there's no problem where we are now. Then let us start how to make that panel layout. So here you come to this icon and schematic list. But start by this schematic list. Click on it. Then you click OK. You see here that this is asking you about the project or active drawing. Let us do it on our project. Click OK. Okay, online, make sure that you have clicked Let me cancel this. So here there is a schematic in the panel. When you are going to do the panel layout, don't click here, but click here. You see that and the sign are different, okay? This image are different. Then click on this one, then choose this schematic list, click OK. The whole project, click OK. When you come here, you can choose by the folder. You can choose by one by one. But for me, let me do all. Okay. Okay. Then here you see those one you are going to use. Here you can sort. You can sort them. Here you can sort by tag name. Here you can sort with other. Let me call this location. This one. You can put another. Here manufacturer. Okay. Also here you can reload. Okay. When you click to the reload, you go there. Then here you can mark the existing. Okay. You see that those are existing. Here you can hide existing. Okay. Then here let's show all. Then click OK. Sorry, I don't click. Sorry here. Okay. Here I close it, not I click it. So here, after arrange your component, we see that here we have a manufacturer, Ituni, and Abebe, Bassman, and the other. So here, try to choose like. Let me choose like this CB 27. So let me choose this one for hiding existing, because when I show all, it's become inactive and it is going to help us to insert that one. Okay. Here we have this one. This is CB. Click insert. Okay. Then you see it. Then you try to put in that device where you want it to be. Okay. Let me put it here. You can rotate. Okay. If you want it, can be like this, okay. Then you come back where you can set, or you can look up to the catalog and change the rating and the other. Okay. Here, click here. You can change them. You see that its rating is 15. Just say that it is 16. Okay. Click OK. You see that you come back to that where you have picked that CD, and you can repeat this process for other components. When you want to complete this process, click OK. No, sorry, close. Okay. Then you see that your device is in your panel and is different in physical representation that of in schematic. You see that? Online, are we together?
Yes, we are.
Okay. But Frank is where? Has joined the meeting, but is not around. Okay. And you can do this process for other remaining components. Put it here. Me, I'm showing you how to do this process until this stage. So, let's come to this point, okay? And click icon menu. When you click on it, you come to the panel layout symbol. Those are panel layout symbol. Okay? Then here, we go to the nameplate. You see that when you are ordering the device, you can specify which device you are wanting. Okay? That is why after putting that footprint, you come to the nameplate. Then click on the nameplate. Here you can use this, but here you can use this nameplate by looking at the catalog. When you click on it, you get this one and go to the catalog lookup. Okay? You see those ones. If you are moving with this one, you can choose one of them. If you are not, you can come to here, like you can write T and like what. Okay. If you are AB, okay. This is nameplate you are going to use. What you can use, okay? Let me use this one. You see that there is nameplate called this, and click OK. Come to that your device, click on it, and click enter. You see that you have this nameplate and the description. Okay. You see that there is here this one still not the showing. Okay, let me repeat this process. Okay. And hope anyone have tried to do what I'm doing. Okay. This machine is still loading it, find nothing when I'm trying to do does. Okay, let me try to use it like this nameplate, okay, which is great. Then okay, click on this device, then okay, this is the nameplate it gives here. Then here there is another thing what you can add. This one, take it. You have tried to put many footprints there, but me, I'm showing you the one as an example how to put it and how you can add the nameplate and how you can pull some data. Okay, here you can come here to the configuration. Click on it. Here you can set when you are pulling the data, how it can be represented on that footprint. Here, set balloon. Here we have a cycle, ellipse, polygon. For polygon, has different shapes. You see, if you want to use the polygon, you must choose the shape you want to use. Okay. Then you can select none. It means no shape can be appear on that footprint. For us, let us take this cycle as the shape we want to put there. Then let me assist here in class. Online. Okay, we have a this cycle. Then you click OK. Also click OK. So here, but this pointed balloon is going to help you to pull the data of this. Let me click on this balloon. Click on this. Then make sure this one cannot disturb you. This snap tool. Okay. You can activate it so that you can click like here, but make it inactive. Then you see that it has the number 21, and you put it here, okay, has a different number so that you can differentiate it. Here you can edit this footprint, click on this, click on this one. You see that there is where you can edit. Okay. Also, you can copy when it are the same. Like, let's say the DB has the like 20 of CB of 16 ampere rating. Let's say it has 20. You cannot come back to the process, but you can make a copy. Okay. Then you can click on okay. Okay. Then here there is one that I want to show you for this editor. Okay. For this editor, let me talk about this one. Click on icon menu. You come here, then you click on this one, this line. Here, you can choose the line you want. But for us, let's start this one. Okay. Then can it be put there horizontally or vertically? You can choose the direction you are trying to do. Then for me, let me choose vertical, or even I can choose horizontal. Let me choose the vertical first. Okay. Here, click the layer information. You come to the template where you can draw. Click, then let me do like this one. Then click OK. You see this one? It is appearing on your. I think this one you know it. Okay. From the beginning up to this point, hope we are together. Hope everyone can click this one. And this one, it is where you can put your circuit breakers and the other things that can be held here. Okay. But also remember that, okay? Remember that, let me, Let me copy this one like this, okay? But remember that sometimes you will need in a smaller DB and the other DB where you can need this one. Perhaps we need the connector or terminals. The terminals come here, then you click OK. Then you click also here OK. You see this one? Terminals. Here we are in the process of selecting the terminal. Okay. Let me choose one of these, like this one of 9. Click it. You see this one where you can change about this terminal strip. You can go to the catalog. If there are what you want to change, you can change it. There is information that can be connected to the black, red, and so on, blue. Okay, those are the cables that can be accessed by that terminal. Here there is layout preview. This layout preview, you see that our terminal is like this. Okay. Then here, if I choose this one, you see this number. Let me update here. You see that there is some numbers. Okay, you can choose to keep the numbers, or you can remove them. By removing them, delete this one and this one. Then update. You see that? No numbers. You can manipulate this one as you want. Then click insert. Okay? When you click insert, you see you this one. Then let me try to put it on this second in this copy. Let me make it a negative. Then here, let me put here like it. Okay. Then you come back to choose other process of making that strip, terminal strip. Then click OK. Click here, done. You see that here it is there, ready for accepting the incoming cables or outgoing. Hope everyone is able to get this one. You can need this one or not when you are trying to put there the circuit breakers or other devices can be fixed using this one. And also you can create this one combining with this terminal strip where you can connect individual cables. Okay? Hope everyone knows how can it reach at this point. Okay? At the beginning, we have started by putting the footprint into panel layout. And the organization is about the engineer. And you can create these layers. Then you can create this terminal strip where you can connect your cables. Okay. For example, in DB, there is where there is a neutral terminal block. There is what you call a half terminal block. Even you can create the live or phase terminal block. Depends how the DB you want to wire, to make a wiring. Also, I think that is important. What I want to show you. Perhaps that you want to put there the arrangement and show the bus bar. Okay. You know, if let's take DB as an example here. When you wanted to make a DB panel layout, that DB will need inside to show the arrangement of bus bar, red bus bar, yellow bus bar, blue bus bar, neutral bus bar. Those are up to you to arrange your panel layout. But by default, AutoCAD Electric, you cannot see in this panel layout symbols where you can pick those bus bars. What is going here is that you are able to draw your own bus bar as you want. And you remember, in AutoCAD, I have showed you how to create the missing, not in AutoCAD Electrical, I have showed you how to create the missing symbol in the library and how you can put it in the library. And also here, you are supposed to create your bus bar and arrange how you want. And after creating it, put it into panel layout symbol, in this panel layout symbol, where you can pick it and put it into your panel layout. Okay? Let me try to do that. As usual, come here. Let me draw this one. Like this, okay? Let me also put some cycle representing where the cables can be connected. Okay. Let me make its copy. Hope we are together. Online, are we together? Online, are we together?
Yes, we are.
But Frank still now is not around and has joined. Okay. this is like a point where this is like a point where you remember that if this is you are bus back to the panel, you need some supporters. Let's say these black ones are the point that support this panel, right? Bus panel. Okay, let me. Okay, let me use this polygonal inside. Okay. On a line, let us take like 20 minutes to take a tea break, and we can continue where I've stopped it. Thank you. Okay, online, are we together? We come back. Is it Frank? Okay. Okay. This is the symbol I'm creating about. Okay. This is the symbol I'm creating about. That's the back. This is red cables. Let me copy it below. Like this one, and this one. And remember the distance when you are making the panel out, you show the mistake so that the manufacturer will throw those distance you have mentioned it. So that because what the manufacturer will do, it is bring his component in the make together, but the size and the measurement will be done by engineer. Okay. Then this one, let me bring it to yellow. Okay. This one, bring it to blue. Then this one, bring it to black. Okay. Then let me try to differentiate this one, like another car. Okay. Okay. Those are for my bus bar. I want to create whenever I need to put it into panel layout, I can get it from the panel layout symbol, because there's a these symbols are not in panel layout symbol. So let me try continue to create it. So after making this as usual for when you come up to the panel, you see this one symbol, there. Click on it as the same process of we have done. Drag it to object. Okay. Then you click enter. Pick a point. It is the point in the middle. Okay. Then you see that there is that figure image of that component we are creating. So here you see that it has template GIC, but we can change that template. Okay. GIC, let's change that template to IC2. Okay. You see that we change that template. Okay, to IC2. Let's take it like this. Okay. Then the symbol to be horizontal or vertical. Okay. This is horizontal. I have told you that better to select this generic when you are creating the new symbol, because it can be applied for any component. When you choose like fuse, it means you give it the limitation. Okay. So select this one generic so that cannot meet with some issues. Then click OK. You see that we come to that. Okay. We can click on it tag and shift. Let's send this. They are all of those. Okay. Then go to close this one. You see that the symbol name DV generic block. Symbol name is like this. Then click OK. Here you get this message. Do you want to insert the symbol after closing the block? If you say no, you should get it again by searching into block list. But when you click yes, you get this symbol. Okay. Then I'll click the yes. That's why I have this symbol. And before confirming, you can use the tag. The tag, let's call it B bus bar to represent the bus bar. Okay, that B. Then click OK. So even if here you have you are seeing the figure, This one that I have created by one by one, but here it's not one by one, it's a component. And when you click on it, it has got the character of other equipment in AutoCAD directory. Okay, then delete this one because you no longer need it. Then this one can use the same. Okay, there is okay. Let me shift it like this. Okay, no problem. Then here you can arrange your bus bar where you want, and let me assist here. Okay. The second process, you will have created this component. Then we are going to insert it into panel layout symbols. And come to this point, this one, icon menu wizard, click on it. You see that we are in diamond, but we can send it to IC. Okay. To IC. Okay. To IC. Okay. Then we cannot choose this schematic because we are at the panel layout. So this panel, no. We have that's IC when we are on a schematic. Let's repeat again. Okay. This one. Why don't he? Okay. When you come here to no, it's not here. This is the schematic. And we want this one. Okay. When we can add this one component we have created, and before adding it there, you can choose where the folder they can be inserted. Let me choose the folder for example, for fuse and circuit breakers. Then go to the add, pick this component, then copy and paste here this name. Here we have bus bar for 3-phase. Okay. Then you click OK. You see that the bus bar is there, and its name bus bar. the bus bar. Okay, the bus bar for 3 phase. Okay, that's the name I give it. And you can give it the name you want. So you are saying that you are able to create any footprint sample of any component you want to insert in your footprint. So hope now there is no limit to make a panel layout as you want. What is supposed to you is to know which and how I can organize this panel layout. Others is your commitment to know how you can arrange and send it to the manufacturer or send it to the technician or to the one who will apply it to the site. Okay. Then when I click OK, then I can delete this one. I can insert this one from panel layout icon from this one. Okay. You see that here it is. Then I can put it into either horizontally or vertical. You can put it as you want. Okay. Then you can retag here as you want. Let me put like a B1. Okay, as tag. You can go to the manufacturer. Here we can choose which. Okay, I see that there is okay. Okay, let's do this DNA like it is no, when that DNA is not possible. Then this is okay. I don't see the specific. Let me choose enclosure or hardware. You see that do not be seen there. Okay. Let me leave this. Okay. Then click OK. You see that you can put that bus bar as you have created into your panel layout. Okay. So, okay. For those online, you see that this is first hole. This last one is the hole where you can use to fix this bus bar on a panel board. And those in the middle are where you can connect it to one cable. Okay. So I didn't show all accessories maybe there because this is the physical representation of this path bar. Okay? Hope this is understood well. And this way we are about to stop this training. And let me show this one. You can make a report of this panel layout. Okay. Suppose you have arranged your component here. After arranging them, you can make the report as we have done on schematic, and the process is the same. Okay. If you click here, you get this one, and you can the whole project. Yes, sir, John. John.
Sorry, sir. I need to know. Yes. Hello.
Yes.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I'm hearing you.
Okay. First, you show us how to insert those footprints and the bus bar and those stuff. My question is, from what I'm understanding, before you insert those devices, you need to have one enclosure. So, because those devices must be put into an enclosure. So, there is any chance you can show us how to insert those first to put an enclosure, then to insert those components?
No, I don't hear you well. You can clarify your question.
Hello, you understand my question? Yes.
Repeat. Come again to your question.
Okay, you already showed how to insert those components on the
Yes.
on the title block there. But from what I'm understanding, that those components must be ready inside an enclosure. Maybe a non-compartment or compartment can be from A, from 2, from 3, or from 4. Depends on your design. So can you show us how to insert those components on an enclosure? And they align based on either it's a compartment or non-compartment.
Let me. Okay. John, what I'm saying about the forms, as we say, from 1, from 2, from 4, like that, it is how you can organize your panel layout according to their protection. So when you make your panel according to the forms, it means you are telling the manufacturer, I need the panel layout, but about this form, I need this form. You are telling me to show those forms. Let me, before leaving, I'm going to show you all the document that shows how you can those forms, the meaning of those forms. Okay? But now, what I'm showing you all is how to put the footprint in your panel layout. But the arrangement according to the form will depend on how and which the form you need at your project. Okay? There are different forms according to the position you need. Then those forms, if you need this form, need this form need this. So you will create that product according to the form you want. But now I cannot arrange to those forms. I try to give you the document shows the type of form. Whenever you need the certain form, you can use it when you are creating that panel out. Okay? The question answered?
Yes, but I would like to know how to set how can you lay those devices on an enclosure?
How to create
in enclosure, because in order to insert a bus bar or inlay or those breakers must be inside an enclosure. But you put it there on the title block.
Oh, okay. I hear you, H. So here, John, what we're asking is okay. Here, he was trying to show how you put the footprint, nameplate, and this, then this connected terminals, and I didn't show how the panel layout, but you can draw your panel layout, okay, and show the limitation, not only that in the panel layout. Remember, you can create some also like this one, for example, okay. You can create it, you can show the area you are putting your devices according to your arrangement, how you want to arrange those footprints. Okay, so I didn't show this before, but it must show it when you are creating panel layout. The panel layout, you show the area of panel layout, you show the distance, the measurement. Here you can show the distance, and here the distance. And even if you create this one, you can mention the distance so that when the manufacturer try to make this layout you need, will follow this measurement. I have told in what is but not showing you here, but you can create the area, you can put the devices, and the devices you put there, they are somehow have the same task of control. Okay? Answered? The question answered?
Proceed, sir, no problem. Proceed.
Okay. You can design where the panel layout here before putting your footprint. Okay. And John?
Yes.
This one you are asking about to show the panel in the area you have you must to put devices. even if it can describe the forms have different forms. I try to show the document that can help you when you need to create the panel layout according to the form you need. Okay. Let's continue to make the report. Then here, suppose that you have made your schematic and give the report. You have made the panel layout, and we are going to make the report with for material. Then this is my project as usual. Then click OK. Then do all, because it is all drawings. Click OK. OK. Then here it's where you can add the time, add the line or column. Can show the pages. Here we have the one page. And also you can change the report format by arranging how you want. You can remove and add others. You can move up or down. You can change the name of, let's say on a tag, for example, we can change it to ID. Okay. Then okay. You see that the tag become ID because we have edited. Then here you can put on drawing. Okay. Here we can use this symmetric. Then okay. So even if we are going to put it on a drawing, remember that this drawing, this is piece of material. It's not about this drawing. It's about the whole project. Okay. Then let's put it there. Then we can save the file. And make Excel format. Then click OK. Can come to the desktop where you save the other. Okay. Okay. Let me save it here. There is a material panel layout. Okay. Panel. Then also without closing, you can make a PDF. Okay, here you can choose it here, no problem. But property, it is a portrait or landscape. Let me choose a proper portrait. Okay. So here there is okay. Portrait. Here there is okay. Here you can save it here as a PDF panel layout. PDF panel layout. Okay. then cross. You see here there is a report in DWT where you can bring in here your project, and we have it here also where we can get the PDF. Okay, this is the PDF of those reports. Okay, and also there is Excel. This is the Excel showing the report from that panel layout.